You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. I hope everybody good. Welcome to the Chaddy Murray TV. If it's the first time watching, don't hesitate. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. So the topics are going to be today. No boom bye bye for BUJU BANTON. Spice back on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. Squash links with TJ and Romeich team. Popcaan level up in new songs. We have the preview there for you. Governor released the preview for the single entitled Loyalty. And Squash and Kartel release a new preview for a new summer song. All those topics and more coming up.
We go on and on, on and on. I'm not gonna stop, I'm a phenomenal. I'm a hunt for the goal like an animal. I'm a thing we are up it, phenomenal. So on and on, on and on. I'm not gonna stop, I'm a phenomenal. I'm a hunt for the goal like an animal. I'm a thing we are up it, phenomenal. Yo, do you know?
So Spice take it to her Instagram to share this video and also let the world know that she's back on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. But first, check out this video.
Women, we express ourselves, we're more open, and women are judged more than men.
The man them do a lot of things. If a female should do it, they bash them because of it. It's like, damn if you do, damn if you don't.
If you do something sexual, you're such a whore, or you're either ratchet, or you're too clean cut. Trying to find a common ground is tricky.
That's why I don't give a f. At the end of the day, these hoes gonna have something to say about me regardless. Like whether I'm doing right or doing wrong.
What I've realized is just be you.
Women, okay, we can push a whole baby out of our vagina.
We are the nurturer. We are the mother, a lot of times the father, the maid, the chef, the doctor. Women are absolutely amazing. We out here killing and I love it.
I love y'all bitches.
To all the women out there, never stop, keep fighting. It's good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good becomes better and your better becomes best. Happy Women's History Month.
So she posted that video with the caption, "Okay, I'm back, so get ready, March 25th. So I guess March 25th it will be premiering. So you know it's a good look for Spice. Once again, people did speculate whether or not she was going to be on for a second season on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. So right now it just sealed the deal. You can see the show record and everything just a wait to hit public. Wait, you see me? So it's a good look. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. So now we are going to look at Squash links with TJ and the entire Romeich team. Check out these clips.
Oh, tell the good youth, man. Rough, man. You know the shirts, man. March 2nd, man. You know what thing, man. Word out. Hold it.
So there was speculation whether or not Squash was good, even though them come from the same area, and we hear TJ say a number of times say 6 and all these things, because TJ start roll with the whole Romeich team and stuff like that. We never 100% sure them good, but I guess this photograph seal the deal for sure. Say there's no bad blood between them. And we also have a new single, as I said before, from VYBZ KARTEL and Squash. You know, say then they have a single already when name Every Day Can't Be the Same, and that song is already 1 million views on the tube. You see me? So the song are going good, so them decide to do it again, but it's going to be a different vibes from the previous song. This is more likely a summer vibe, so check out the preview.
6 Nation, I beat them, but for world.
Me hear it already and me I say, yo, watch out man, this bad. Is it? The vibe so nice already. But then again, it's only the preview, so make we just wait and see what go happen. So Governor also released a preview. Governor gave us actually a 1-minute preview of his new song entitled Loyalty. And people, me I tell you now, that song is bad. Me no need to hear the rest of the song to know that song is bad. The song talk about some very, very interesting topic. But enough of me talking. Let's listen a preview of the song.
Every time we don't beg me. Me start feel like somebody was sell me. Yeah, you said the man them a plan for shell me. But if you never want your nails done, you wouldn't tell me. Someone really know what a friend be. Oh, you feel say your friend arise and you envy. Oh, you feel say you love me as a brother and you see me at the beer buckery and you not tell me.
So people, honestly, let me tell you a story. When me hear that song here, me instantly start bust blank. Pop, pop, pop. Yo, this song bad. The part in the song where the man say, yo, why every day me and you go bed? You see me? I have to turn round and give you money. It come like a pay me a pay feet. So, yo, that's serious, yo. It's serious, you see me? So, we eagerly awaiting that one, and people, me promise, you know, anytime that song they drop, me, I go review it. You see me? Me have to review that song. But check out a little bit more of the song now.
Treat all of my friends them like royalty. Did it and not question my loyalty. Me stay firm like a almond tree. Dogs them not worry about them loyalty. Me treat all of my friends them like royalty. Hope me chillin' no question my loyalty. Me stay firm like a almond tree. Never switch no sell, that's a guarantee.
So people, remember, a song is not yet released. Even though in give you 1 minute preview, and know say a song normally lasts for like 3 minutes. So in give you a good portion for a preview. But anyhow, check out Popcaan. Him and Marcus at it again. And they gave us this preview for the song entitled Level Up. So check it out.
We run the road, she wagon dance. Man a shot a box, yeah. And Mulila, me come in. Fat girl, you want be resident. She said the dad man easy son. Yeah, spray on me come see wealthy. Buy the spaceship, cash from the
Yo, Popcaan a level up. Remember, say Popcaan got new level last year, you know, and it new level. You see me? So right now, he may give you one different vibes. He must say, yo, level up, cause him done up on a new level already. So he must level up right now. Yo, well done, Popcaan. When the song you drop as well, me I go review it for you, no? You see me? Yo, the song sound like it bad already. And anytime Popcaan touch in that melodic type there, you see me? Anytime in go slow tempo song, anytime in go reality song like that, them always it. So, me not expect not less from this one. And Marcus produce it as well, you know, so right now, Marcus a hot producer. You see it? So, people, make we talk about the BUJU Banton situation now. So, no boom bye bye for BUJU Banton. Boom bye bye is one such song included in his catalog, which has stirred much controversy since it was released in 1992. Recorded by then teenager Banton in 1988, the track denounced homosexual and entails violence towards them. The backlash Banton received from the track was almost enough to silence his career, as lesbians, gays, bisexual and transgender groups lobby for his ban on several concerts. Jamrock Sound principal U. Redman James said, I am a part of his entourage, so I go to all the rehearsal, and he didn't sing that song. He didn't rehearse that song. That is a song that kinda shoot him a bit, so him bury up that. James' sound system will be catering to fans at the after party, which will be held at Mass Camp, adjacent to the concert venue. So BUJU Banton will not be performing Boom Bye Bye at his concert, and neither will it be played at the after party. So people, honestly, if you tell you the truth still, I am not surprised. And years ago, BUJU Banton did sign something where say, yo, him not gonna really perform that song anymore. So right now, I'm not surprised that him not gonna perform that song in Jamaica at his concert, at his Freedom Fest concert. You see me? And that's a good move. Make we just load that song there and put that song there one side. Now I say we're afraid of them people or anything like that. But yo, you know what BUJU Banton been through with that song there. whether song they cause BUJU BANTON for go through. Anyhow, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. People, let me know what you think about the topics what we discussed today. And people, don't forget to leave a like on the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, just click that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. So guess what? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.